Hello friends. So today in this video I will talk you about one new library which got released recently, uh, which is LHM, which stands for Large Animatable Human Reconstruction Model for Single Image to 3D Generation. So it is kind of like you can provide one input image and you can generate 3D view and the video from the image. So this is the GitHub page. Like they have given some example here, like you can provide one input image and you can add provide one motion video as a reference, and it will what it will do, like it will copy the motion from the video to your output, like using the input image. So you can see here the output is really good, and the best part is like the inference time is almost it's for like 10-second video it takes almost around 2 to 3 minutes, which is like really appreciable. And the output quality also, you can see the quality is also very good. So I will just show you the GitHub code here. This is the GitHub code. Here you can get to see and like how to install it, and how to inference the module, like to get the output video. So it's kind of like a mimic motion. You must have heard of many other mimic motion technologies. So this is I feel it is better than all other mimic motion technologies. So what I have done, like I have installed this library on my system, and I'll just show you like how it is working. So first step is like you have to uh, uh, collect, like you have to get one reference motion video. So this is one reference model motion video I have kept here, and I will use this one to first step is like to generate the motion from this video. Like you have to extract the motion from this video, and after that on the second step you have to use one reference image, and then using the motion extraction you can generate the video. So I'll show you like how I am doing it. So first I will use this motion video, and I will generate the output first. Like I will create the motion first, then we can generate the video. So this one second step I will just run this on my uh, terminal. So once I run this, it will start collecting the, I mean getting the motion from the video. So and you can see there are lots of functions inside this library. Like it is kind of like it is not just extracting some control net or something. It is kind of like it is creating uh, a 3D model of the person, and then it is kind of segmenting the head, body, and the legs, everything. Everything it is segmenting separately, and after that it is kind of generating the motion, and there is no kind of overlap, like the body on the output video you will see it is not at all impacted by the input by the motion video. So it started running, and the inference time also I have seen, like it is kind of taking just 3 minute at max for 10-second video. I can see it already started generating the motion for this video. So I guess it will not take much time to extract the motion. But still let's see. Oh, it is almost done. within so time it took around like 85 second to extract the motion. Now I'll see the output where the motion is generated, and it should be inside this one, training data, then custom motion, and this is the one. So here is my this is the output, like it will show you, like it will create at the time of generating the motion, it will show you the output, how the motion is extracted and how it will look uh, on the output video. So I'll just show you this, and now I will generate the output video with this motion, and let's see. So what I'll do, I'll just uh, I'll just inference now, inference this model, LHM-1B model, using this motion data. So I'm using the LHM 1 billion model. So but still you see it will be very fast. So this part will take some time, I guess. Okay, let's by the time. LHM engine, okay. So your output will be inside train data. The installation is little complex. I see there are lots of dependencies, and it is just tested on 12.1 and 11.8. So CUDA 12.1 and 11.8, and I see there are lots of warning I see here. Maybe it is because of the CUDA driver, because right now on this system CUDA 12.2 drivers are installed, so that could be the reason I'm getting lots of this thing. I'm getting lots of warning, but the library is working, the model is working, and I can see mm, there are some warning. It is coming from the xformer. So I feel like the xformer version which is installed on this system is not compatible, or maybe there is a issue, so I have to check this one. But I guess without xformer also this library is working, so no need to, I mean, if it is warning, so no need to worry about it. The motion extraction does not take much time, but the video generation will take some time. Okay, so the output is generated, and I see it took almost around 288 second. That means 4.8 minute. So almost 5 minutes it took to generate the output. Now I'll see the output quality, and it should be inside LHM. videos, and this is the one, I guess. Okay, okay, now I will download it. Okay, now you can see the output here. So the input video, it was not that much, kind of good. So maybe the output came not that nicely, but I'll show you another output which I generated. You can see this one, and you see the fingers and everything, body structure, everything. There is no kind of distortion or morph, no morphing, and it I think it is good, like if you want to generate animation video, in that case this library can be good. The library is still in progress. I guess they are still working on it, but the 3D view which this model has generated, this is really like commendable. And the motion also, it has, able to capture the motion accurately. And I see it is not at all, following the input video, so which the problem which we see on mimic motion. So the motion transfer is very good. Now I'll tell you like how to install it. So the installation may be little complex. So here on the GitHub, you have the like steps how to install it. And this library, it will work, it is tested on CUDA 11.8 and CUDA 12.1. So I am actually testing it on CUDA 12.1. And you have to, install the CUDA 12.1 uh, uh, torch version, and all the torch related, like torch video, torch vision, so torch audio, all these things, and diffuser and the transformer. So everything related to CUDA 12.1 you have to install. So they have already have given the requirement.txt file, or you can, there is a .sh file to install everything automatically, so you can do that. Here is the 12.1 install.sh file, so you can run this one. And for the motion transfer, so for that you have to do some, installation, like some other library also you have to install. So they have mentioned here, like you have to install this Vitpose. This is the third party library they are using to, extract the motion and the poses. So this one is very much required. And you have to install specific version of MMPose and MMCV. So if you are not installing the correct version, you may not be able to run it. But the GitHub repo already has everything, like they have clearly mentioned the installation steps. So you can test this library, and it seems promising, like they not only have, just motion transfer, it has like lots of other feature also which can be used to, uh, extract like segment for segmentation or for 3D view generation. So you can test it and see. So that's all for this video, and it does not take much GPU, I see. It is almost taking like around 21 VRAM, gigabyte VRAM. So that is like you can test it on RTX 4090. And but the thing is like uh, you have to, correct, make sure like you are not installing it on your uh, on your system, like in it can, uninstall your CUDA, latest CUDA installation. So make sure you are running this, I mean testing this on some cloud GPU, so that it does not impact your existing installation. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.